In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Facebook app. Then hit Add menu, and that's where you should switch from your main profile to a Facebook page. Just hit at that arrow down icon that will show you all of your Facebook pages, and then you can easily switch to any of that pages simply by hitting at its name. Once you did that, hit at menu again. Then open up settings by hitting at that gear icon, and at the very top at that search box just type in delete, just like that. That will show you that prompt. You can just tap on it, and that's where you have to select whether you want to delete or deactivate your Facebook page. If you want to take a break from Facebook, you can just deactivate your page, because this is temporary. In any time you will be able to restore that page, and until then all your content, including your name, photos and other stuff, will be hidden. If you want to permanently delete the page, just select Delete Page and then hit on Continue. Then tap at Continue again. And that is the last step before deleting your Facebook page. Once the deletion process begins, you wouldn't be able to reactivate your page or retrieve any its content. So if you want to save some of your content, that is the last chance to do that. So you can scroll down, and if you want to save your posts, you can do it right here by tapping at Go to Activity Log. Also, you can download your information, including photos and other media files, and then also you can use the transfer your information feature to transfer all the Facebook pages data to another service. And then to delete the page, just hit at Continue. Then just enter your Facebook password in that field and hit at Continue to permanently delete that Facebook page. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.